So I just bought this screen from Amazon. It's supposed to be an iPhone 6 screen, right? I'm about to fix my iPhone. Alright? Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube page. First you turn off your phone. I mean, anybody would know that. Alright, so let me see. They gave me some tools with it too. So every time you buy a screen, you should probably get some of these. Not all the time. You gotta buy the new one. You buy the used ones. Alright, so I guess this one is the green one, so let me put it on this so you can't lose no screws. Nah, turn this around. Can't see the name. Alright, so I'm gonna open the iPhone. It's probably gonna take me like 20 to 30 minutes. So there's two screws, one here, one there. You open the two screws. Right now this is easy. When you get inside, it's gonna be crazy. So this one is not coming out. They gave me this suction cup. I had to change it because the first one don't work. So you put it on the screen and pull the screen back. My screen is cracked. It don't work on cracked screens that good. Alright, so I'm just going to speed this up a little bit just to make it quicker, alright? So if you go zoom down, you can see that's why they gave you two screwdrivers. They gave you the red one and the blue one. So this one is to open here because you got to change all the home button, everything to this one. Just bought this off Amazon. Good job, Amazon. Alright, so open these 4 screws real quick. Alright, so I'm just going to speed this up a little bit just to make it quicker, alright? So I had to change the screwdrivers because the screwdrivers they give you, they normally not that good. I had to change the screwdriver. I got this one that I bought from Amazon on the website. It's the iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6 Plus, 7, 7 Plus. This is like the toolkit. So you use this the proper way and you're gonna take off this. So this where it gets I would say crazier, because you gotta remove the home button, remove the back screen, you gotta remove the camera and the speaker. So this is where it gets crazy. All right, so let's get to work. Opening the new package. There you go. Oh, and they look. This how the new package come. They put a plastic on the back. Actually, this is it's on the back. I think it's a protection for it. And they gave me a new plastic on the front. So first of all, you want to do this. This is what I always do, not to lose the screws. All right. There you go. So there's 2 screws here for the home button. I mean, actually there's 1, so this is telling me that somebody been in this phone already. But I'm just gonna put a screw in there because I got extra screws because I fix phones. All right, there you go. Take that off. You want to take this one off. And put this one over here so we don't get mixed up. All right, so they're like 4 or probably more than that screws holding this back piece, because you need this back piece. You need the iron. So there's one screw here, one screw here, one here. One here, one here, one here. So I'm just take these out real quick. All right. All right, so I'm just gonna just speed this up a little bit just to make it quicker, all right? So that's all the screws. Wait, one more screw. This one. All right, so this is messing with the speaker. All right, so I'm finished with the back. All right, let's see. We're gonna try to get this off because you need this. All right, so if you have a flat screwdriver, usually they give you a flat one, but they don't. I don't know why. All right, I'm just going with my toolkit over here and try to find. I could use this too. So you get this. Try to move it up. Lift it up. Lift it up. Lift it up. You gotta get this. Lift this up. All right. You gotta make sure you get this too. Right here. If you mess this up, this is for the home button. If your home button don't work, that means you probably need to change this or take a look at this one. All right. So you lift it up. Move this up. Get this. You gotta get this part up. This is the part you need to put on the other screen. All right, there you go. All right, so this is one part. We're gonna need a lot more. All right, so I'm gonna just put this here in the meantime because I'm gonna need that. All right. I would just, when I do this, I just do the other part real quick. That's what I do. All right, so you want to take this off. This is the plastic protection they send with you. You just take that off. You got to put this down nice and firm. Right, there you go. Make sure all the screws match up. And then you can press this down. All right, I'm going to show you the home button first because if I show you the earphone and speaker, you're going to probably get mixed up. All right. Let's see. The home button, it's not that hard. So you could just do this. All right, let me get the flat screwdriver. All right, so I'm just gonna just speed this up a little bit just to make it quicker, all right? Pop it out. Here's your home button. Old screen. New screen. Putting in the home button. Gotta make sure it's straight. Make sure it match up with the holes. There you go. There you go. Home button in, you could clip it on. There you go. Home button should work fine. All right. So the next step is you got to watch this. This gets tricky right here. Taking this apart gets tricky. So you got to get your screwdriver again. All right. So I'm going to put this here. Take this one out. All right, it gets tricky here, especially on the iPhone 6 and the 7. It gets even worse. So you take this back off. You got to remember how you do this, because if you don't, it's going to be very hard for you. Because it happened to me first. All right. Make sure you get this. This is the speaker. All right. Put this here. All right. You got to make sure you take the sensor out. There's a sensor right here. There's a sensor right here. You got to make sure you take it out. That's how the phone senses when you have it by your ear and when you don't. All right, so that's the whole system. This it. That's the front camera. All right, so put this down. You try to get this clear. This go right here. All right, let's go. This go here. All right, you gotta just press it down like that. All right, what I do next is I try to get the speaker going and the earphone. All right, so you come here and basically you gotta fix this wire. Give me 1 second. You gotta line up the camera with everything. There you go. Gotta just make sure you line it up good. Because if you don't, then something is not gonna work. Gotta move that out of the way. There you go. There you go. Camera goes right there. All right. That looks about it. Gotta get the speaker back in. Gotta make sure you have the speaker in too, because if you don't, you won't hear nothing. Makes no sense having a phone if you can't talk on it. All right. Damn, it is hard, just to let you know. So, better off taking it to somebody like me. So there you go. I put the speaker in. Strap this over. It's simple 1-2 steps. If you want to see the whole thing, you can just rewind this video and you can see how we do it. But wait, there you go. All right, you got to make sure everything fits just right, because if it don't fit just right, then probably your camera, you can't see out of your camera, or something not going to be right. So here you go. Put this right here. Fix the camera. There you go. All right. Sit it down. Then find your screws. All right, so put this back. You know, it was. You probably should have took a picture where it was. Yeah, just. Oh, changing the batteries too. iPhone batteries. Don't let nobody charge you a lot of money for the batteries. I mean, they should to change the battery. They should just charge you for the battery. All right. So I'm gonna put this here. Some people mark the screws so it will be easier. All right. I just fit these screws in there. I don't mark the screws. I just, if it don't fit, it don't fit. Yeah. All right. Oh. All right, so it's the final process, man, to see your new iPhone. I mean, it's gonna be new again, I guess. It's gonna be new. All right, so the screw is not for here. And the screw goes in the middle. This is a little bit of a problem. There you go. So that goes there. All right, there you go. Close it back down, and this is to test to see if your iPhone works fine. If you can hear the speaker, you can hear everything. So it's the final test. If you can use the home button, see if you could touch a screen. Let's see what's up. Oh yeah, and I think the iPhone 7 is way much faster. I mean, this works. So, let's see. Gotta make sure the touch works. When you call, the speaker works. All of that. All right, so there you go. I'm gonna hide my password. All right. All right, there you go. All right. Phone touch works. Menu works. You make a call. Call 911. All right, so I'm gonna call. All right, you hear the top speaker working. Volume works. All right.
Marcó el número. Favor de verificar.
There you go. Speaker works. All right, speaker works, but you guys can't hear it. Sorry, but you guys check to see if the camera works. Oh. All right, there you go. Camera works. All right, so I'm just gonna put the last two screws in, and home button works too. See, there you go. There you go. Home button works. All right. That's how you fix an iPhone 6, 6S, 7. Don't matter. All right. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.